Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will see how I made 300% returns in DB Corp in 1 year. So let's see. So what is DB Corp? DB Corp, Dainik Bhaskar, as everyone knows, it publishes newspapers, radio broadcasting, it provides internet and mobile services and even event management. It's a major brand of Dainik Bhaskar, which mostly everyone has heard, Divya Bhaskar, Saurashtra Samachar, and Divya Marathi. Mostly it distributes a lot of newspapers. So its market cap is 6,000 crores. Current price 339. It made a high of 405. Right now it's at 339, but it made a low of 204. Stock P 13%, which is fair enough, which is still lower than what was the industry P. When I bought it, this stock P was around 5 to 6. Great ROCE 25%, great ROE 24%. It has a fair enough dividend yield. It has given around 7 to 8 rupees dividend or 11 rupees dividend this quarter also, which is good. Promoter holding 72.4%, sales growth 11%, which is good enough. Profit growth of 114%, which is good. Price to earning ratio 13%, which is very good. So let's see. Pros of this company: stock is providing good dividend for 3%. Company has been maintaining healthy dividend, which is good. Low ROE, but it's growing. Compared to its peers, it's second largest company of media and print. So it was a good bet to start with. Coming to its quarterly results, if you see from 304, it has exponentially grown, and right now it's standing. It went to 645, 617, 590. So from profit from 1 crore to 164 crore. Look at the growth. 58 crore, 68 crore, 92 crore, 116. Not that steady, but you can see from 100 to 160, it's a 60% jump. Profit before tax, they were negative, then they became positive from 73 crores to 150 crores, which is double. Net profit from 54 crore to 118 crore, more than double. EPS has also doubled. So obviously stock price could have been doubled. Let's see how it went. Yearly profit, best ever sales and best ever profit. So there was no reason. I invested in this stock around this time frame where it was coming back. Profit before tax right now 619, highest ever. Net profit highest ever 465 crores. Let's see. They have not diluted the equity, which is a good sign for a company. Reserves have been growing. Borrowings been pretty much constant, but reserves are 10 times more than borrowing, which is a good sign for a company. Then let's see its promoter holding. From 71%, promoter holding has gone to 72.36. FIIs been increasing their stake. DIIs have almost from 4.13 to 4.68. They have also been increasing their stake. And public has been reducing their stake because they were scared when it went down. But everything has a reverse action. Let's see how it went on TradingView. What are the technicals? As we have seen the fundamentals now. Now let's see its technicals. So when it came in IPO, it was quite down, but after some time, obviously, it came up. I'm new to this, so let's see how it is done. Horizontal line, yeah. So this was its low. This was its IPO price. The price where I invested here was, let me show you. I came to this when it went down. This stock came into my watch list when it was around somewhere here because this was beaten down, but its profits were increasing. So over here, it made a W pattern. If you can see, let me just wipe it off so that it's much clearer. Right now, it's not that clear. Okay. So when a beaten down stock starts to make a W pattern, it breaks it. So its usually target is from here to its projected here. But for me, this already had an all-time high and it was making good profits as we just saw in its financials. So my target was at least here, which it is around that price. But since this stock has been from 2010 to almost to 2024 at the same price. So I am right now expecting it to give this target, this breakout, and this target, which is around 300 more. So my price target for this is still around 700. When I bought it, it was at 120. I bought it on this breakout and I've been holding it since then. It's been one and a half year. It has given me 300% return, but I'm holding it for more. This is one of those stocks which I'm not ready to sell because its profits are growing. I want around 700% on this. Though I booked some profits, I invested 1 lakh, which has turned into around 4 lakhs. I am planning to book around 1 lakh so that if I book around 1 lakh, I'm in this stock risk free. But my trailing stop loss would be around 240 for this one. If it comes down to this level, I might exit it fully. But I have high hopes on this stock that it will reach to this target in coming 1 year. I don't think, because it's a small cap to mid cap, I don't think it will take a lot of time to reach there. So, because look at the volume, guys. If you see here, look at its volume. Low volume phase. This was a very low volume phase, and when this was the accumulation phase. So let me just clear all the drawings to show it to you much better. Okay. So when a beaten down stocks is beaten down, it always has an accumulation phase. And in this accumulation phase, if you see promoter holding from 71%, it went up to 72% with good enough volumes. So that means the big players are buying here, where and look at the retail players. Retail players from 11 to 9%. They are exiting because of fear. But this is the best time to buy, and it formed a W pattern. I bought it somewhere here. Initially, it came down to 60 or 70. Like my 1 lakh turned into 60,000. But I was quite confident in stock. I had a stop loss of this. It didn't trigger it. So after that, it has not given me a chance that I would regret my investment, and it has grown up like exponentially. So this is accumulation. This is breakup. This is accumulation. From this accumulation, because we already had an accumulation here, so I'm expecting it to go up. Probability is there to go up, but obviously, so market moves like this: draw down, accumulation, draw up, draw down again, or draw up again. Because this is a fundamentally strong company, I'm expecting it to accumulate for some more time here, and then after that, I'm expecting it to shoot up. Shoot up again, like let's see the way it goes. But for me, if I give you a final clear view, it's like this target has been reached. Oh, this trading view. This target has been reached. Now I'm planning for this target. So if I project it, it's like good enough projection for me, which will 420, 60, 360. So it's like 420 plus 360 is like almost 750 to 800 rupees will be its target. This is not an investment advice, guys, because I've been in the stock since 120. So that was a great time. Right now, Nifty is also at all-time high. So if Nifty corrects, this will be the first stock to fall because it's a small cap. So it's not an investment advice. This is just something which I followed. I will attach my profit screenshot so that you can see it. But 300% in 1.5 year, amazing results, amazing company. These are the stocks which we need in a portfolio to grow our portfolio from 8 lakhs to 1 crore in 5 years. Next stock, we'll analyze it tomorrow. So this is all for today. See you tomorrow. Good night.